Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You have probably seen a lot of robotics mowers before. But today we are looking at the Sunseeker X7 Pro to see if it actually delivers professional level lawn care or it's just an expensive toy. We are going to test its limits on different types of terrains to see how it handles various types of obstacles and find out if the wire-free setup is as easy as they claim. Let's get in the yard and see what it can do. Out of the box, you're getting the Sunseeker X7 Pro robotics mower, the charging station, and the antenna system. It's RTK antenna system. The entire setup took me less than 30 minutes. Setting up the charging station and the RTK station. And you're ready to just map your lawn. And don't forget to download the app to start mapping your yard. The entire setup from box opening to start mowing took me less than 1 hour, including mapping 4 or 5 different zones, adding no-go zones and everything. When it comes to robotics mowers, the wrong way is spending your entire weekend on your hands and knees, burying boundary wire around your property. But the pro way is ditching the wire completely. The Sunseeker X7 uses the AONavi Positioning System. This means you just open the mobile app and create your virtual boundaries without ever touching a boundary wire. This means you just open the mobile app and create your virtual boundaries without ever touching a boundary wire. It took me a fraction of time to map out my entire yard. And you can easily manage unlimited multiple zones and designate no-go zones right from your phone. A smart mower is useless if it gets stuck, right? First up is traction. The X7 features an all-wheel drive system that provides a climbing power up to 70%, or you can say 35 degrees. Next is obstacle test. I threw some common yard hazards out here. Thanks to its vision AI technology and 3D binocular camera, it detects and avoids over 200 types of objects, including temporary obstacles like toys and hoses and tables and desks. Finally, let's check the noise. It operates at 60 decibels or less. Which means you could run this early in the morning or at night without waking up your neighbors. Tech features are great, but the actual cutting quality is what really matters for robotics mowers. Underneath of this robot, this unit uses a dual cutting disc system, giving you up to 14-inch cutting width. My robot will just come over here and cut it. See, it looks very long. Okay, this area is already completed. You can see the difference between right side and the left side. One of the best features is the electric height adjustment. Right from your app, you can change the deck height from 0.8 to 4 inches to fit exactly what your lawn needs. The Sunseeker X7 series provides an auto recharge feature that returns the robot to the station when the battery is low. Also, the rain sensor that pauses moving when the weather turns bad and when it starts raining. There's a rain sensor at the top of the robot right over here. Whenever it detects water or rain, it stops immediately and goes back to the charging station. And you can tell your robot whether you want to start moving again in 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours after the rain. I just completed this area. Looks amazing. This is my yard. Whether you have a complex lawn with rugged terrain or wide open yard, this machine right over here adapts seamlessly to your needs. If you want to check out the Sunseeker X7 series for yourself, I'll put a link in the description below so you can find more information on their website. Let me know in the comments below if you would trust a robot to take over your lawn care or if you are still holding on to your traditional mower. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more outdoor projects, tool reviews, and DIY builds. I'll see you on the next one. Turkish tea, it's my favorite.